Good morning, students. I am going to explain thermodynamic part 11. Now, previous class we discussed already isothermal process. Ideal gas expand in isothermal process. Now, in this one graphical represented in that process they said PV is constant. According to Boyle's law, also we know already P is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature. This statement they given in the previous already. This is a continuous. In this statement, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. It means that the pressure is increase, volume will be decrease. The volume will be decrease. Volume will be decrease. Now in this case, now I am taking the graphical representation. It is the on y-axis I have taken the pressure, on x-axis volume is taken. Volume is taken. Now we know already if the pressure increases, the volume will be decrease. Now the graph will become like this. Now in this one, now I have taken the two volume. Initial the volume is here. This is the V1. Now after expanding, the volume will become increases. That is V2. Now near to this area, the system done some work. System itself done some work. Then system done by the system work done by the system. Now this area is the W. Now this is the slope. This slope we can write as P is equal to nRT by V. From we know that is the ideal gas is PV is equal to nRT. We know already PV is equal to nRT. The mathematical change we need only P. The V will become P, that is nRT by V. That is this is the equation. Now from this equation we already discussed it is a W is equal to PV or P delta V. Now in place of P we can write as that is a W is equal to nRT by V and dV. This is already by doing integration method. We have the formula already we discussed in the previous equation. Now in this case the work done by the gas during the expansion means it is before expansion is V1, after expansion is V2. Now here to here expanded the gas. Now this area, this blue area, dotted area, this is the area, this area is represented as a work done by the gas. Now in the system we have in the cylinder we have the gas, that is the work done by the gas. Now doing the work itself, which means the volume is increased. When the pressure is decreased, the volume will be increased. Now during the expansion of an isothermal process, the change, what is the change happen in this diagram? Now that is the W is equal to V2 1 to 2. Work here to here the changes. As a V W 1 to 2, the work is changes is equal to nRT by V. nRT by V. Now for this one by doing integration V1 to V2 by 1 by V, this is how we can get the equation finally mathematical equation we can get, that is W is equal to, this is the equation we will get. Now from the equation we can learn the isothermal process. Temperature is constant. If we know already according to first law of application of first law of thermodynamics, at isothermal process temperature is constant, internal energy also constant. It depends on temperature, depends on internal energy depends on temperature. If the temperature is constant, then the internal energy also become constant. Now in this case delta U also become 0 constant. According to first law of thermodynamics, then the equation become Q is equal to minus W. This is from the first law of thermodynamics. But here what is the difference? Here heat is equal to work, but here is equal to, this is the difference both of. Now same as in the isothermal process. They are like a same as isothermal process we are getting. Now the same equation also we discuss in the different monatomic, diatomic, triatomic gases also. Now for isothermal or for the reversible adiabatic process. Now the ideal gas equation in isothermal process we know already. PV is equal to constant at PV is equal to constant at temperature is also constant. But adiabatic process, in adiabatic process, now at constant heat is constant. It is constant. Now we can write as PV is equal, now for example monatomic is lambda, it K is a constant. Now we can write as P is equal to K by V gamma. We can write as P is equal to K into V gamma minus, it is exponential factor, that is coefficient. Now this one we can write as dou P by dou V into it constant. What is that? Heat constant. Now gamma P by V. This is the equation we can learn. It is for the reversible process, adiabatic process in the reversible process. Similarly, for the reversible process same. For the reversible process, that is isothermal process. Now in this value we know PV is equal to constant K. Now P is equal to become K by V. Now P is equal to K into V inverse. K into P is inverse. Now we can write as, in this equation we can write as dou P by dou V at, that is a Q constant isothermal process, by dou P by dou V at constant temperature is equal to, now minus RP by V by PB by V is equal to the gamma. This is also one more equation we can discuss. The formula is very important for the gas. Now here in this case if we take graphical representation, it is a isothermal process, it is a adiabatic process. Now first graph it is represented P versus V, reversible process falls very fast, and second P versus V, it is reversible isothermal process, and this is the graphical representation.